Welcome. Today, we're exploring a useful update on Telegram Web that makes it easy to view all the PDF files shared in your chats. If you often exchange important documents and want to keep track of them, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Next, find the chat where the PDFs have been shared. You can either scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific chat you want. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen for the chat's name. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This panel provides various options related to the chat, including shared media, links, and files. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Files tab. Click on it, and you'll see all the files that have been shared in this chat, including PDFs. This section neatly organizes everything, making it easy for you to find the specific document you need. As you scroll through the list, keep an eye out for the PDF files. If you spot one you want to download, simply click on it. This action will either open the document in a new tab or prompt you to save it directly to your computer. It's a quick and efficient way to access important documents without having to sift through endless messages. In summary, viewing shared PDFs on Telegram Web is now easier than ever. Just open web.telegram.org, find the chat you're interested in, access the contact info, and navigate to the Files section. With this new update, managing your important documents has never been simpler. Thanks for watching.